everybody, this is Meek was so nice back again with another video. Today I decided to record a quick little DIY linen closet organizing that I'm doing on today. I've looked at this linen closet looking a little janky for a minute now, so I'm like, okay, let me just go ahead and try to organize it a little bit better. It's not too bad, but my bigger blankets and stuff like that, I have them folded and stuffed in other places in the house. So that's what I'm doing at this moment. My plans are, excuse me, my plan is to take these boxes, and this is my bed. I'm just working from my bedroom today. I have these little shoe boxes. You probably might remember them from a video I did over the Christmas holiday of a little shopping I did. But what I'm going to do is either take these, take the lid off, right? And I have some contact paper that I got from the Dollar Tree a while back. So I'm going to just wrap that over this. These I'm going to leave alone. These were a part of a gift that I received for the Christmas holiday, and I like the design on it. So I'm going to leave that as is and leave this as is as well. And I'll just be putting some of my items that was in my closet inside these little boxes just to make it a bit more organized. At the moment, I have it in one of these little cubby things, and it wasn't so floppy at first, but as you buy things, you know, it gets out of shape. So that's what I'm intending to do today. I'm going to go away and try to prepare these two little projects, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, you guys. Oops. So what I did, I took my little shoe box and I wrapped it with some of my contact paper. I didn't do the bottom, you know, because you don't really have to worry about the bottom. I did put some tape on the inside just so, you know, it wouldn't probably lift up over time. And I might do that to the bottom too, just in case if I'm sliding it back and forth in the closet, it won't lift up either. So what I'm going to do, I was debating if I wanted to try to cut this box because this one opens at the top. This was a box for my little slides that I got over the summer. So that's how this opens. So I'm thinking about probably doing the same thing to this box as well. So I'm going to go off camera and figure it out, and then I'll be right back with y'all. Okay, everybody, I am back and I've completed my boxes. This is the box that my slides were in. And like I said, I just taped the bottom so like when I move it back and forth on the shelf, it wouldn't lift up. And I accidentally trimmed one of the flaps off, so I just kind of like stapled it back. And then I used some tape, as you can see, over the staple so it wouldn't scratch my hand. And I also finished this one. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go and organize my closet. And again, y'all, this is my closet. This is an older apartment, so from humidity and stuff, if you're wondering, the paint started to stick to the door. That's cosmetic, not something that I'm really worried about, but just for anybody that was wondering what it is. So, excuse me, it's my closet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my little boxes and stuff like that, my glove boxes and things. And this little pouch right there, that just has some blow dryers and curling irons, flat irons in it, and my LED lamp for my nails. So when I come back, the next thing you may see is the closet organized. So I'll be right back. Okay, everybody, I am back and I'm finished with my closet. Hopefully you can see. From the bottom to the top, I just wiped the shelves off nice. I just put my little towels back. I had to refold a few. I left this space because I know I may have a few more towels after I do a load of laundry, and up top I just have some of my hand towels, the face towels, some dish cloths and pot holders and stuff, but I know that's gonna double in size after doing laundry. But that is it. The laundry box that I had, I didn't even have to use that at the moment. I was going to use it for the blow dryers, but it was a little cumbersome, so I just fixed it as is. And here at the bottom, I just have my little first aid, kind of first aid, some alcohol, lady stuff, some masks and gloves in the back. And in this little container, I had some Q-tips, some oatmeal, like little Aveeno oatmeal packs and stuff like that. A couple of other little items. Then I have my blow dryers. That's a little gate belt I use for my mom. And the rest of some of my body washes and a little shampoo and bar soap. So here is the closet again. And whoever took the time to tune in, I thank you, thank you, thank you. I had to cut to my room. Excuse my two little buddies there in the back. One of them looked like it's mad and the other one is just chilling. But yeah, I thank you for anybody that decided to tune in. I have a fitted sheet here. I don't know, how many people might really care to know how to fold a fitted sheet, but I'm gonna try to do a little tutorial for you guys if my camera will allow me to be great. Okay, so here's your fitted sheet. It's nice and clean. This one is a bit more I guess sewn tightly, but I'm still gonna try to show you guys. These are the ends of your fitted sheet. Some people don't bother to fold it at all. They'll just go ahead and roll it up in a ball and throw it somewhere. But what you're going to do, you're going to find the two corners like this. Take your hand, slide it on the inside, and you got your little corner here. You got a corner there. You're going to bring those together like this. And then you're going to go down the other end and do the same thing. Oh, where did you go? Now I can see why people don't bother with it. A little corner here. Got a little corner there. Put it together. You're tucking everything on the inside. I learned how to fold fitted sheets when I worked at a hotel many years ago. Okay. So right now, this is what it's looking like. Okay. Probably not the best tutorial, but it's a little something. So you have that. And what you're going to do, you can take your opposite end. You can bring it in. Flatten it out. Hopefully you guys are catching all this. Bring your other end in. Flatten it out. You just start to fold. Fold. And if you want, you can just fold that inside. And then here you go. Got your little fitted sheet folded nicely. Again, I can see why some people are like, nah, forget about it. But if you want your closet to be nice and organized and to have more space, that's how you fold your fitted sheet. If you like, I can show you again. Yay, nay. If you caught it, you can always, go back and see how I showed you. But that's your fitted sheet folded for your closet or wherever you store your extra linens. So that is the video, you guys. I thank you for tuning in. I will be uploading other videos again as time allows. I just, decided, hey, this closet has been like this. Let me go ahead and just try to organize it, make it look a little bit better. So I hope you have a great day. Take care. Talk to you soon.